Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change columns in Google Docs. Open your Docs file and see this. Now I'll change this three columns. Simply select your text, drag your mouse at column text area and now select format option. Here you will find this column option and select more option. Here you can choose two columns. Also you can reduce a space or centimeter and now select apply and see this two columns already applied. Here also on columns. Now I'll make these two columns, make it on columns, format option, columns and selected on columns and see this column already removed. Also you can make this, I'll make this three columns. Yeah, this is. In this way you can change columns. Also you can apply new columns. Simply select text and formats, apply. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.